the tempo, DJ, let's go. Come on now. If you love Afrobeat, I need you to be on your feet. Let's do this. For the culture, let's do it.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, so we still see a lot of people sitting out in the dark. Please, it's okay to come closer to the stage, okay? Yes, feel free, come over to the stage, come closer to the stage. I would like to invite Esgar and Chantel. Esgar and Chantel from Kaiser Permanente to join me up on stage. Okay, Esgar is from Alpine Bank. All right, so I am delighted to introduce Chanel Butler. Chanel Butler, okay. A representative from Kaiser Permanente, Colorado. Of course, Kaiser Permanente founded in 1945. Kaiser Permanente is a leader in shaping the future of healthcare, dedicated to delivering high-quality, affordable services. 12.5 million members across 8 states, and of course, the District of Columbia. Wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen, put it up together for Chanel Butler. Put it up together for her. And when you say thank you to her for sponsoring us super this time.
Thank you. I just want to say the heart of Kaiser Permanente is community, and I love that each and every one of you are supporting the African community. It is beautiful. You all look great, and have a great night. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll come back next year, okay? All right. Let me introduce to you a representative from Alpine Bank. Of course, another key sponsor of our program today. And of course, for the past 2 years, Alpine Bank has been holding us down. Their commitment to inclusivity and community engagement has been invaluable. A special thanks to Esgar Escott, who is the Vice President of Inclusivity and Community Engagement at Alpine Bank. Welcome, Esgar.
Thanks, everyone. I appreciate this honor. Like I said, we want to make sure you guys understand that we are here to support all. So we're just very honored to be here with the Colorado African Cultural Center, which have a great mission and vision. And we, as Alpine Bank, want to make sure that you guys support that as well. Make sure you guys are supporting with financial